subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Cam from CM Mobile Welding brought us his work truck. Wanted to step up the game. We just wanted to show a quick video of what the surface looked like prior to doing our work on it. Did a full 2-stage paint correction on this vehicle and then applied our Aegis Armor 5-year coating. But this is a great before. Wait till you see the after. Shoot a little video here. This is surface decontamination that we do before we do any paint correction on the vehicle. This area has not been decontaminated yet, so I'll have Sean wipe on that so you can hear what the pad is picking up. And then I'll have him come to this area in front that's already been done so you can hear the difference. Back to that other section. And all this stuff needs to be pulled out of the clear coat prior to doing paint correction. If not, it'll get in the pad and start scratching at the vehicle as we do paint correction. This is Sean showing some paint correction. This is only after a stage 1 correction in this area, and this is the uncorrected area. Corrected. Uncorrected. Back to Aegis Armors. We're here with Clovis and Sean. Just finished up on this 2017 Chevy Z71 2500. You guys can tell us a little bit about what you did?
After you, Sean. Yeah, this was our ceramic coating for the week. Obviously, it's a black paint, so it takes a little longer with the paint correction. You can see a lot more imperfections in the paint. I would say we spent roughly around, 25 collective hours together paint correcting this. And he can show you with the light. We got pretty much all the imperfections and scratches out, so it looks really good now.
There's still going to be a few of them in there. We went with what's the word I'm looking for, Frank? The price range of the customer, is that what I'm looking for?
Yeah, I think, well, you did basically a 2-stage on this.
Yeah.
Right. So the first stage knocks out most of the heavy stuff. Second stage brings back all the gloss and gets rid of the micro marring.
Yeah, and with this being a work truck, it had quite a bit of heavy stuff on it.
Yep. Anything else you can tell us about it?
Any
really painful areas on it?
I mean, there was a couple spots. Nothing really like out of the ordinary. So we coated all the fenders and everything with our 5-year coating. The running boards down here, they were actually almost like a chalky color. We coated all this with our 5-year coating, so it should look like this for up to 5 years. And we did the glass with our window coating, and we also did Cerakote on the plastics. So everything is going to be, a lot. It really helps black pop when it adds that gloss to it.
Tires?
We did the tires. I see you pointing. Can't see it on the backside here, everybody. But yeah, we also did our Black Widow coating on the tires here.
It's usually good for about 3 to 4 weeks. No sling. Can be applied satin finish or gloss.